Welcome back to day 2, trying to trade $1,000 to $1,000,000 big dollars, right? So let's have a look at the progress so far. It has not been amazing, I'm gonna be honest, and I'm not gonna fake anything. If I lose everything, I lose everything. Now we started at $1,000, we've now got $1,120 of basically equity. And we've got a bit of margin available, $870. We did enter just recently a Pengu short position here because I'm just feeling like it can come down. But every time I try and make a little short-term short, which by the way is crazy, not many people go short when Bitcoin is all-time high, and I feel pretty insane for doing so. But congrats as well, guys. $113,000, 340. That's crazy. Like, comprehending this is fantastic. Thank you, America. Keep on pushing those dollars, keep printing as much as possible. Let's get this M2 supply chart as high as possible so we can see Bitcoin absolutely fly. I don't think it's over here either. I still think $120, $130, $140,000 could be the sweet spot. Now in this video, it could drag on to like 10, 15 minutes. So if you're going to watch till the end, you're an OG, and thank you very much. I'm kind of just going to look through some opportunities really and try to find something to either long or short. And there's a lot of coins out here. I mean, a lot of memes are starting to wake up again as well, which is kind of annoying and in some weird way. This meme core coin I've spotted just going absolutely crazy. It's up 41% on the day. So I'm probably going to have a little look at the price for this thing here, meme core. Yeah, let's have a look at meme core together very quickly, because this could be one that I just get tempted to trade just because looking at the analytics of this token, it's disgusting. Like, it just looks like it has to come back down. So I don't know if it's even available on KSX, so we're just going to find out if it is. It actually is. So this is extremely risky. Do not copy this, but we're going to try a 250 USDT trade. We're going to leverage this down, so we're going to short this one. 250 on a short, and there is no real technical strategy here, except it's gone up so much that I like to live by the very simple rule: what goes up must come down. So yeah, we've entered a short there on the memecoin 2, which is probably going to end very, very badly, but we're doing it anyway. So equity 130, we're up $130 for day 2 so far. We've got a long way to go to get to 1 million. So we've entered a trade here on the M token, which is kind of just going parabolic. Like I say, it's looking anomalous. The performance of the coin is anomalous. Dog with hat. This actually makes me want to go long because I'm seeing a bit of a cup and handle pattern here, as you can see. Nice formation of a cup, and the handle is on this right hand side. Seeing a conviction to the upside. We're starting to break out. We're coming through this ascending channel right here, and it does also make me want to push and potentially long it, right? Hard to say, of course, what will happen for it, and it is risky, so unsure. I might potentially long for a $1.07, but again, I'm not feeling 100% comfortable going long because of this ascending channel and the fact that it's always rebounding between resistance and support. So it's another one that I'm sort of question marked. And with Bitcoin being so strong right now, I don't know. It's really hard to decide, and leverage trading is very, very difficult. I will put that out there, guys. It's certainly not an easy task. So yeah, we're in right now. We're using KSX. Get yourself signed up with KSX down below, by the way, guys, just because they are doing a 10% deposit giveaway. And also you can do these little tasks on their reward center and earn $420 as well. Get yourself in my Discord too. Now, what else can we look for here? We're going to search for more coins to potentially short or long. So coins that are pumped massively on the day, Peanut token. There's that M coin that we just went short on, Pengu as well. Memecoin is up a lot too. Peanut token, how's that looking? Another one that is seriously overbought on the 4-hour time frame, which makes me want to go short. I love trying to be a contrarian. I love trying to do the opposite of what everyone else is doing. But on this daily time frame, it does suggest there could be more upside, so it might not be finished. But to be honest, I'm a risk taker. So, I'm someone that likes to experiment with just what my head and mind and gut feels in the moment. So I will short. I will short a little bit here. I'm going to go 150 USD, but we're going to whack up the leverage. And yeah, leverage has changed. So break even here, Pengu and M, pretty much breaking even. I don't think that went through, so we'll try again.
We are doing a $2,500 giveaway, guys. And all I want to say is thank you for everything. Now, how do you enter this? Simply check out the Discord down below, get yourself in there and find the giveaway channel. Once you're in there, post a screenshot that you've subscribed and liked a video, and then I will enter you into the giveaway, and I'll personally pick out the winner myself at the end of July. So basically all you gotta do is subscribe, like, take a screenshot. It doesn't matter which video it is, because I'm going to be posting this on every video in July at some point within the video.
Yeah, there we are. So have I put 2 orders in? Just one. So Peanut's in as well. So we're all in on meme coins right now, which is just disgusting. Equities come down a bit to 1114. Wow, this video series could end really soon, guys. There might not be much more to watch if I keep this up. Now let's look on the inverse. Let's look at the opposite. Is anything that heavily down on the day that could be due to come up? But magic token, well, actually that's come up a lot over the last few days, so I'll probably avoid this one on a long position. GMX, yeah, right now it's just crazy, man. I could potentially just long Bitcoin if I personally believe Bitcoin will move higher, but actually Ethereum is the one that's also on my mind at the moment. You know, I've got a lot of interest in Ethereum right now. So let's see how Ethereum is doing. Oh, it really wants to break out this ascending triangle right here. That could be a technical indicator in itself. That's tempting. I'm not going to lie. That's a bit tempting right there. Have a look at our technicals. So $3,000 would be a good long here for ETH. Could we try it? Could we risk it? You know, Bitcoin did just all-time high. So maybe we could see a decent long set up here. Margin available 470. So we'll go 350 margin here. I'm thinking to maybe long another token too. We'll definitely long this though. 20x leverage is a bit wild, so we're going to tone that down a little bit. Confirm there. And we're going to open this long here as well. So we have another long. We've got a first long opened against everything else. Everything else is short. M's going well. Peanut, not so. Pengu, right direction. ETH, you know, equity is floating around. It's volatile, you know. I mean, 4 coins right now. This is pretty degen, and it's got to get to the point where I need to be putting a large amount of capital into just a single coin. But let's keep exploring. Let's see what the market still has to offer right now. Yeah, what's moving hard? What's mooning? Pudgy penguins. I believe I'm already in that one. So Sucoin would be good to go in on a long, but I feel like I missed out. So a lot of alts are pumped today quite significantly. So I don't like chasing that green candle, and it's something I really don't enjoy doing. So I will resist. I will resist. I'm not going to be that guy that chases the green. What else have we got here that's pumped on the day hard? Peanut, Mog, Myro. Because, you know, there could be an indicator that's telling us, well, you know, the coin is cooked, or it's clearly due a pullback. That maybe Mogcoin could be due a pullback. We look at the last few times Mogcoin had an overbought 4-hour relative strength index. Highlight this if these are vertical lines. It does look like every time it does come back down. This time, no. It went up, but this time came down. This time came down. Very risky, guys. Seriously risky. What do we do when things get risky? We fucking do it, don't we? And I'm going to put my last drop of equity into Mogcoin, trying to do a short. We'll drop that leverage down a bit to 10x. So there we go. Day 2 of trading. Leverage 1145 on my equity. So we'll come back tomorrow, or maybe we'll update some of these positions later in the day if we see anything crazy happen. We're going to set the stop losses and take profits for all of these trades, and we'll see how it goes. At the moment, you know, this is all risky. The markets are flying. I don't feel great about what I've done, but, you know, hopefully we can make some gains here. Bitcoin's looking good, and if the market sustains, I don't know, it's interesting. It's a very interesting time to be breathing oxygen. I will say, guys, if you're someone that is looking to also seek growth in the markets, if you want hand-holding in the crypto markets, you can join our alpha group. My Discord is down below. And yeah, ultra early Discord channel access for for buys as well, like stealth launches, pre-sales, spot signals, leverage signals, and you're going to get an ebook as well as a trading indicator. It's $110 per month, but we do have a few other categories here. So if you want to become a trader, if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn how to do things in crypto, learn how to you know, prosper, snipe, and look for coins and prospect for high value opportunities in the crypto markets, do consider becoming a patron. If you don't like it, I will personally give you a refund anyway, so it could be worthwhile. You know, I know you guys are buying cigarettes and burgers, fast food, coffees, you're wasting money every month on all this rubbish, which easily equates to this amount of money. So do yourself a favor, invest in education, invest in something that could help you a lot. I'll show you some recent wins of the community before we do drop out. As you can see, these are some massive trades. People are making some humongous gains every single day in my Discord group, Jacob's Crypto Clan, which is free to join, by the way. So do have a look. Would love to see some new names, some new faces in the group. And yeah, guys, let's just keep things going good, keep things cooking. What else is happening market-wise? Let's check out some Solana coins, maybe. Soul tokens, anything looking super volatile here? Pudgy Penguins, Peanut. Yeah, this market is crazy. What is going on? Memes are up so much today. Like me. Memes are up a lot today. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's a big pump. Today, that's a good pump. 5% for the meme coin market. Jeez, this is interesting. Very, very interesting. Right. Guys, the market looks good. Hope you guys are doing well. We'll be back tomorrow with another update. And, you know, if we don't trade, if we don't leverage trade, then we just won't make a video about it tomorrow. But subscribe anyway and tune in and, you know, make yourself known. Comment down below. Just tell me what you want to see on this channel. Right now, you know, the trades are looking kind of boring. The Peanut is losing. Pengu is chilling. ETH is chilling. Mog doesn't know what to do yet. So this could be dangerous. This could be dangerous territory. I could wake up tomorrow with like barely any equity, or I could wake up with more. So this is how risky trading is, of course. So remember, guys, not financial advice. Do your own research. Sign up to KSX down below. One of the best exchanges you can use with no KYC, and it's globally accessible. And do consider becoming a patron. We'll see you very soon, and have a wonderful one. Peace.